Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I have brought 5 more formulas which a beginner must know in Excel to be an expert. So the first one is count, second one is count A, the third one that is count blank, the fourth one that is countif, and the fifth one that is concatenate. Okay, so each function I have told you now will do some different works or different activities. Okay, so let us go through each and every function one by one. So the first one is count. Okay, so the first one is count. So what does this count function do? Right, so this function will count all the cells which are in the given range, but the cells must have the number. So if I have given the range from F2 to F11, so it will count all the cells which has the numeric data. Okay, so which has the numeric data. So let us see. So to write the count function, we start with is equal to, then count, bracket open, and just give the range. Okay, just give the range, bracket close, enter. So I had selected around 10 cells here. You can see the count here as well, right? So without the formula it will be shown here, right? So I had used the formula and it is showing me 10 now, right? What if I change this value here? So from numeric to I'll change it to alphabets. Even here I'll change it to PQR, right? Let us check now. Is equal to count, bracket open, then let us give the range, bracket close, enter. As you can see here, so it is showing me 8. So it has counted 8 cells because we have replaced 2 cells with alphabets. So what does this count function do? The count function will count the cells which are in the given range and which has only numeric data, right? So then let us go to the count A function. Okay, so let us go to the count A function. So what does this count A function will do? So the count A function will count all the active cells which are in the given range. So active cells in the sense the cell which has the data. Okay, so what does the count A function will do? So count A stands for count all. Okay, so count all. So what count all will do? So it will count all the active cells which are in the given range. So let us uh, write count A, bracket open. I will select the range, enter. So it is now showing 10. So what is the difference between count and count A? So in count A we had changed 2 cells values to alphabets, right? At that point of time it had shown only 8 cells, right? In count A, what it does is it will also count the alphabetic cells as well. So what count A will does? Count A will calculate or count all the active cells which are in the given range. So it will not discriminate between the numeric value as well as the alphabetic value. Even if it is a special character, it will count. Only if it is blank, then it will not count. So now this cell is blank and this is not active, so it is showing 9. So even I put a full stop there, so it will count, right? So the difference between count and count is, count will calculate or count only the cells which have the numeric data, but in count A it will count all the active cells which are in the given range, right? Then comes count blank. So in the name itself it is there, that is, it counts the blank cells which are in the given range. So I will delete some of the data here. So as you can see, I have deleted 4 cells, right? So the data from 4 cells I have deleted. So I'll do is equal to count blank, bracket open, I'll give the range and bracket close, enter. So you can see, so I had deleted the data from 4 cells. So what count blank will do? It will count the blank cells or the cells which do not have any kind of data, right, from the given range. So I had given the range from E2 to E11. So in this given range, 4 cells are blank, right? So it is showing 4, right? Count A will count all the cells which have the numeric data. Count A will count all the active cells, it will not discriminate between the numeric and alphabetic data, right? Even the special character data it will count, right? Count blank will count all the blank cells which are in the given range, right? Then comes count if. So if there is a condition, right? So count if counts the cells on a particular condition which we give. Okay, so it counts the cells based on the conditions which we give, right? So now I have taken the viva for all these 10 students, right? But some of the students were absent. So I want to count how many students are absent. Okay, how many students are absent to my viva session. Okay, so what I will do, I'll write is equal to count if, bracket open, right, bracket open, I will give the range here, bracket close, sorry, comma, then I will give the criteria within the double quote, I will give the criteria, bracket close, enter. So I had given the criteria, that is star. So it has to count star from the given range, right? If the cell has star in this given range, it has to count, right? So it has given us the answer, that is 4. So in the given range there are 4 stars. What if I make this students also absent? So it will be increased to 5, right? What if I decrease one cell, right? It is displaying 3. So based on the given condition, it counts the cell. Okay, then comes concatenate. So what is concatenate? Concatenation means joining. So here concatenations means, so it joins the values of the two cells, whether it may be numeric value or alphabetic value or your special character value. So it joins the contents of the two cells. So there are two ways to concatenate. Okay, so there are two ways to concatenate. So the first one is equal to select the first cell of which the data has to be joined, the first cell, and simply put an and symbol, that is ampersand symbol, and select the second uh, cell, right? So I have selected the second cell, enter, and now you can see the values from the first cell and the second cell have been combined here, right? But the thing is, we do not have the space between the first name and the second name, right? So to do that, we will do, or we'll do it here, is equal to the first cell, put ampersand, right? Then double quote, space, double quote, put ampersand, second cell, enter. Now you can see a space has been given here, right? So what extra I have done? I have done A3, the first cell, then I have put an ampersand symbol as we have done here, right? Then within double quote I have given a space, so I have given a space here, right? Then again I have put an ampersand symbol, then the second cell, right? So this is type 1. Then the type 2 is equal to concatenate, is equal to concatenate, right? Bracket open, the first cell, here no ampersand symbols, here only the comma, right? Then the second cell, bracket close, enter. So even here we have used a new type, that is concatenate, right? And we have given the two cell addresses, right? But the problem here is, it is not, or we are not getting a space between the first name and the last name, right? So here also, to get that space, right, concatenate, bracket open, the first cell, right, comma, double quote open, space, double quote close, comma, the second cell, bracket close, enter, right? So now you can see the uh, space here, right? So I'll drag it. Now you can see all the first name and second name or the last name have been concatenated, right? So in this session we had gone through the count function, so which counts all the cells in the given range which has the numeric value. Then count A, it counts all the active cells which are in the given range, active cells in the sense the cells which have the data, right? Then count blank, so it counts only the blank cells within the given range, right? Count if, so it counts the cells based on the conditions we gave, right? Then concatenate, it is used to join the contents of two or more cells, right? So this is about these 5 functions. So if you have seen this video till now, like the video, share the video, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below.